Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by going straight into Settings and tapping your name. This takes you to iCloud. Once there, choose iCloud then Photos so you can control backups. You do this now because disabling requires access to the Photos toggle and account options. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and ideally plugged into power to avoid interruptions. If you're signed into multiple devices, note which device you're changing so you don't accidentally stop backups elsewhere. You now flip the iCloud Photos toggle off. This stops new uploads and syncing across devices. When the prompt appears, pick whether to download originals to keep full-res copies locally or remove from iPhone to free space. Choose based on storage needs. Once done, inspect your Mac or other iPads. Open System Settings Apple ID iCloud Photos and match the setting so your library won't upload from another device. You finish by testing. Take a photo and watch the photo's status. It should not upload. Make sure to back up important images elsewhere before signing out of iCloud if you want a more permanent stop, because signing out affects mail, contacts, and more. If uploads persist, restart the device and revisit iCloud Photos. Also check iCloud storage usage in Settings to see if there's a pending sync. These steps resolve the usual hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.